We're looking at my exterior balcony stateroom on board the brand new Royal Caribbean Wonder of the Seas, the world's largest new cruise ship, 2022. We're in May. They have the new LED touch locks, so you don't have to put your key in a slot anymore. And our muster station is D3, which I have to go to just after that. And on Wonder of the Seas, they do give everybody a peephole. And this is your do not disturb sign. It's magnetic. You just stick it on your door like that. You do need to put a card in the key slot. So if you want to keep your lights on while you go out, just a little trick there. Put another card from one of my old cruises in there. And hey guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to Affluent Journeys. That's my website, affluentjourneys.com. And this is my room on board the cruise. We're doing a little 2-night travel industry cruise here from Barcelona. The suites have a full LED lighting and temperature control system, but here it's just a little more basic one. We'll have a look in the new and improved main bathroom. Beautiful color pattern here on the tiles. A nice glassed-in shower, which is fairly large. I'm a slim guy, but I can get it all the way in here and move and turn around, probably get my elbows all the way out across. And when you're in the standard rooms, they just give you a double duty, as it says here, salt and breeze, hair and body wash, vetiver, coconut, and sandalwood, so you'll smell good around the ship. Removable multifunction shower head here. And this is a little clothing line. I put my stuff out on the balcony though. I have a single head, little trash can under here, toilet paper is under the sink, cups, salt and breeze soap, really nice inlay tile. That looks nice. A couple of towel hooks here. There is a step into the bathroom, so be aware that's about 3 or 4 inches high. Then we'll have a standard queen bed that does split into 2 twins. Plenty of closet space. Everyone gets their own Wi-Fi router in the unit. A small safe here. Telephone. Samsung flat screen TVs. With the latest infotainment systems, you can watch all the videos here or on your app on your phone before you even get on the cruise. And then they have little hooks here for coats, shorts, etc. Another little storage area there. More closet space. There is no self-laundry on Royal Caribbean, so you do have to send away for laundry service and pay for it, item per item. We'll have a padded headboard behind the bed. And you can actually buy the bedding collection. And we'll have a couch here in most rooms that are set up for triple or quad occupancy. Normally you'll have a single person sofa bed and then sometimes a Pullman that comes down there. They do give masks on board still, but it's May of 2022. No more masks are required on board. We'll have a good power outlet set up here, 2 American plugs, 2 USBs, international plugs also. Hair dryer in every room. They'll give you a sharps box if you need it. There is a in-room dining on Royal Caribbean. Continental breakfast here on the left side is free, but full American breakfast they charge $8. And I mentioned during my full ship tour, make sure to watch that. Royal Caribbean has really stepped up their art game here on the Wonder of the Seas. It's really nice. So you can have a book here of all the different artwork that they have. Oh, that's more junk there. Underneath here we'll have a small refrigerator. And it says cool but not cold. So it's a cooler and not a fridge. Oh, I forgot. See, what did they give us here? We got some goodies. So yes, you can also send your clothes out to press. They gave me a lanyard with a deck plan and information on the neighborhoods. That's the concept of all the different areas on board. And a Crown and Anchor Society bathrobe. I am a diamond member with Royal Caribbean. So let's have a look out on the balcony. And you have to flip up in order to open the doors, and they no longer have the runners on the floor. They're up here, and it makes it a lot easier, a lot less work to open and close the doors. They do offer connecting rooms via the balconies and sometimes in between the rooms as well. And as I mentioned, we're in the port of Barcelona today. There we go. Right, I hope you enjoyed seeing my room here on board the brand new Wonder of the Seas. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit like on the video, subscribe down below, that helps me a lot. Put your comments down below, I want to hear what you think here about the Wonder of the Seas. And I am a luxury travel agent, so if you're seriously interested in booking a cruise on Royal Caribbean, perhaps you're on the Wonder of the Seas, I accept Royal Caribbean bookings for 7 nights or longer, and normally in the junior suites or above. But if it's $4,000 or $5,000 in this type of room, I'd still love to hear from you about it. And in most cases, I can improve on the offer somewhat than what you would have by booking direct with the cruise line on your own. Even if you've already booked that cruise recently and directly with Royal Caribbean's U.S. offices only, not through another travel agent, you're not paid in full, and you did so within the past 30 days, I might still be able to throw in something for you, and I'll be glad to do it. So serious inquiries may contact me today at the phone number down below, or submit your inquiry on my website, affluentjourneys.com. Don't forget to follow Affluent Journeys on Facebook. I put all my special offers and deals, especially those I get on Royal Caribbean there. And give me a follow on Instagram. You'll see what I'm doing throughout my various travels as well. So that's it for now. Make sure to check out the full ship tour and my other videos in some of the big suites. So thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And please stay tuned for the next one.